The sun is the undisputed gravitational and energy anchor of our entire solar system. Its massive pull holds all 8 planets in their specific orbital tracks, while its radiation fuels everything alive on Earth's surface. Imagine for a moment that this massive anchor simply vanishes. With no warning and no explosion, the sun just ceases to exist. Instinct suggests we would feel the impact immediately, with the lights cutting out and the Earth spinning off into the void at the exact moment of the disappearance. However, because light and gravity have to cross 93 million miles of vacuum to reach us, Earth possesses an exact 8.5-minute grace period before anyone on the surface notices a thing. This delay means our perception of the universe is never truly in the present. We are constantly living in a reality dictated by a star that could, theoretically, already be gone. Light has a specific speed limit. The sun's final emitted rays take exactly 510 seconds to cross the solar system and reach your skin. This delay applies to more than just light. Before Albert Einstein developed his theory of general relativity, it was assumed gravity was an instantaneous force, acting across space without travel time. Einstein's work proved that gravity actually moves in waves, traveling at the exact same speed as light. This creates a surreal physical window. For 510 seconds, the Earth continues tracing a perfect circular orbit around a center of mass that no longer exists. During this period, the planet's systems are running on a ghost momentum, fueled by the light and gravity of a star that has already vanished. Once that timer expires, the final sweeping wave of photons passes Earth, plunging the entire planet into absolute darkness. 2 seconds later, the moon disappears from the night sky. Since it creates no illumination of its own, visibility relies entirely on reflected solar light. At that same moment, the mechanical release occurs. No longer tethered by the sun's gravity, Earth launches in a straight line through space at 18 miles per second. Earth is now a rogue, unguided projectile, flying blind into the void. The immediate halt of photosynthesis instantly removes the bottom tier of the global food chain. Small plants perish within days, leaving most animals to slowly starve. Large trees can survive for several decades because of their massive size and slow metabolism, but they are the only surface organisms capable of such a delay. This graph shows the catastrophic drop in Earth's average surface temperature. We reach freezing within a week, and by year 1, the new norm is minus 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The decline continues until the temperature permanently stabilizes at minus 400 degrees. These conditions guarantee the complete eradication of the surface biosphere, leaving the planet's exterior locked under miles of thick ice. Earth is now a frozen rock, destined to drift for an estimated 43,000 years before it even approaches the orbit of another star. But the frozen surface acts as a massive insulator. Beneath the ice, the immense pressure and heat radiating from the Earth's core keeps the deep oceans entirely liquid. On the ocean floor, geothermal vents act as independent engines, continuously pumping heat and minerals from the Earth's mantle into the water. The specialized organisms living around these vents never relied on solar energy to begin with. Their biology is fueled by the Earth itself, which means they wouldn't even notice the sun had disappeared. While the sun is the lifeblood of our surface, Earth is a self-heating, resilient spaceship, capable of sustaining its deepest life forms for billions of years in the eternal dark.